5 tips to get motivated. Set clear goals. Define your goals clearly and make them specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Smart. Having a clear sense of what you want to achieve can give you a sense of purpose and motivation to work toward those goals. Break tasks into smaller steps. Large or overwhelming tasks can sap your motivation. Break them down into smaller, more manageable steps. Completing these smaller tasks can give you a sense of accomplishment and help build momentum. Find your why. Understand why you want to accomplish a particular task or goal. Find your why. Understand why you want to accomplish a particular task or goal. Identifying your underlying reasons and motivations can help you stay committed when the going gets tough. Visualize the benefits and rewards that will come from achieving your goals.